Good. Look at these sweet potato tater tots. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Pastor Kim's Corner. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm so excited today. This is a collab between none other than Bless Row and myself. And today we're making sweet potato tater tots. I tasted some a while ago while I was in Florida. So I said, Bless Row, let's try something different. Have you ever made them? She said no, and I said neither have I. So I got a recipe, and we're both using the same recipe, and putting our own twist on it to make sweet potato tater tots. So I've already washed these two sweet potatoes, poked them a little bit, and for the sake of time, I'm going to put them in the microwave. So let's get started. Okay, guys, so while the sweet potatoes are cooking in the microwave, I've combined panko breadcrumbs, cinnamon, sugar, and nutmeg. And I just kind of freestyled it to put it all together to make the coating for the sweet potato tater tots, okay? I really can't wait to see how Bless Row put this recipe together. Oh yeah, and then one other thing I added was cornstarch, 2 heaping tablespoons. And I think it called for 2 teaspoons, but so mix that all up together. That's just going to give it a nice crunch. But I'm just excited to see, because anybody who knows Bless Row's channel, she can cook. I can cook, but Bless Row can cook. She puts that southern twist on everything. Okay, so now my potatoes are out of the microwave. They're extremely hot. And so the recipe says it should not be turned into mush. So you want a texture in the sweet potatoes. And so I did taste them. They are sweet. You'll see. So right now I'm just peeling them so that we can go ahead and make the insides, the filling for the sweet potato tots. Okay, so after I get them all peeled, I put them in a bowl, and I do mix them with some cinnamon and some sugar and a little pinch of flour, and I probably shouldn't have done that. I should have just let them, just be on their own. I'm just being honest with you guys. So if you try this recipe, you do not have to add flour to the sweet potatoes, because it's going to kill some of the sweetness. So, yeah. Don't forget, guys, this is a reminder to go over to Bless Row and check out how she's making these. I did have to go back and add more cinnamon, more nutmeg. I also added some sugar to just sweeten it up, because after I had added the flour, it just kind of messed it up. But they still turned out good. So I'm so excited. I just can't wait to see what Bless Row did. Okay, so let's keep going. We've got all that in. We mixed that up. Oh yeah, I added brown sugar, guys. It's almost like making a sweet potato pie. So I did add some brown sugar. Okay, so after I got all this mixed up, I put the filling in the freezer for 10 minutes. Okay, guys, the filling has been in the freezer for 10 minutes. I've got my cookie sheet, covered it with foil. I'm spraying it with canola oil, and I'm ready to take my filling, take my panko breadcrumbs coating, and put everything together. So let's go. So I have a little mini ice cream scooper, and what I'm doing is using my mini scooper and dropping them into the panko crumbs, and then we're just going to put them on the tray. Okay, so basically after I get the tray filled up, I put them in the oven at 375. The instructions say put them in for 20 minutes on one side and then turn them over in 20 minutes for the other side. Okay guys, so after 20 minutes I did turn them over, and here's the finished product. They said you can keep them in longer if you want them to be a little bit golden brown. They didn't look delicious, but when I tasted them, they tasted really good. So can you see that steam coming off of there? They really did. They tasted good, but let's wait. What I do, y'all, I had to jump in there and fry some of these tater tots, because let's face it, taters are fried, okay? They could be baked as well, but I had to jump in there and fry them. So let me show y'all what happened. So you can see the fried versus the baked. Fried were good. When you fry them, you have to be really quick. And I was trying to show the camera too, because they fry in about 30 seconds. And you can see, look at that. And when I tasted them, yes. I'm glad I went back and added the brown sugar. So remember guys, Blessed Row is doing the same exact recipe. So please go over and check hers out. I'm anxious to go watch her video and see exactly what she did. I think this has been fun, and I look forward to doing more collabs with Blessed Row. You guys stay blessed.